outside. This is a washing area. First we should take a bin and its cap. First we should keep some holes on the cap for the air flow, and take a small pipe and a plastic box for taking the compost water, and a small plastic box here because for capture the water of compost. This is, and we should take some fruit waste and the vegetable waste and kitchen waste, and we should keep in this bin for 4 to 5 months and leave it. The compost is made, and mix this compost with a stick because after some days we should mix it at least weekly once, otherwise the fungus forms. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you did not subscribe, please subscribe and go to comment and share.